If you're searching for dumpster rentals near me in South Carolina, your search ends here. At AMC Waste Services, we understand the importance of keeping your project sites clean and organized. We pride ourselves on delivering unparalleled services tailored to meet your exact needs. Whether it's a home renovation, managing a construction site, or simply decluttering your property, AMC Waste Services has you covered. Our commitment to quality, efficiency, and affordability makes us the leading choice for dumpster rentals. With a fleet of heavy-duty equipment and a team of dedicated professionals, we strive to exceed your expectations at every turn. Our easy-to-load containers are designed to facilitate even the most demanding projects. But our commitment to excellence continues beyond there. With just a quick call to 803-408-9990 or a visit to our website at www.amcwaste.com, you can easily access our premium services. Our knowledgeable team is always ready to assist you, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. So why wait? Experience the difference with AMC Waste Services today. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we look forward to serving you soon.